Before you replace a windshield on a newer car, look directly behind the rearview mirror. If you see a camera there, your appointment may involve more than removing broken glass and gluing in a new piece. That camera can help the car identify lane markings, watch the distance to traffic ahead, read road signs, and support features such as lane keeping assistance or automatic emergency braking. Here is why the new glass matters. The camera is looking at the road through the windshield. Its software expects straight ahead, the lane, and objects on the road to appear in particular places inside the camera image. Imagine mounting a security camera behind a window. If the camera bracket, the glass, or the angle changes slightly, the picture may still look normal to you. But an object farther down the road can appear in a different place than the vehicle expects. Calibration is how the vehicle checks that relationship again. Depending on the vehicle, replacing the windshield may involve removing and reinstalling the camera. The replacement glass also has to place the camera's viewing area and mounting hardware where the system expects them to be. This is not one universal procedure. Some vehicles are calibrated while parked in a carefully measured workspace.
A technician positions targets at specified distances and heights, connects the required service equipment, and teaches the camera where those targets are. Other vehicles use a driving procedure.
The technician drives the car under the road, speed, lighting, and lane marking conditions required by that vehicle, while the system relearns its view. Some vehicles require both. That is why the correct answer should come from the instructions for your exact year, make, model, and equipment, not from a shop saying, "We normally do not need to do that." Honda, for example, tells owners that the front camera should be recalibrated after windshield replacement. Subaru service instructions for affected eyesight vehicles require the camera to be reinstalled, inspected, adjusted, and successfully calibrated after the glass is replaced. That does not mean every windshield must go to a dealership. A qualified glass or collision shop can have the correct equipment and training.
What matters is whether the shop recognized the camera system, checked the procedure for your vehicle, included the required calibration in the quote, and documented that it was completed successfully. Before approving the repair, ask 3 questions.
First, does my vehicle have a forward-facing camera or another driver assistance sensor connected to the windshield? Second, does the manufacturer require calibration after this windshield is removed or replaced?
Third, is that calibration included in this quote? And what documentation will I receive afterward? Compare complete quotes. One shop can appear cheaper because its price covers only the glass, while another includes scans, calibration, and verification.
And do not treat the absence of a warning light as the entire calibration procedure. The requirement should come from the instructions for the vehicle. The next time someone mentions a cracked windshield, ask what is sitting behind the rearview mirror. That small camera can turn a simple glass replacement into part of a safety system repair.